Namaste. Welcome to Swami Vivekananda Yoga channel. Today we are going to practice pranayama for COVID-19 infection. Those who are suffering with severe COVID-19 infection, it is the immunity boost. Not only COVID-19 infection, it is the boost for all chronic diseases. Very simple, powerful breathing technique, sectional breathing. Sit any meditative posture, Padmasana or Vajrasana or Sukhasana, whatever it may be, you sit straight. Backbone, neck, head should be straight. Face is smiling. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathe out. Breath in. Breathe out. Come to Namaskara Sthiti. Pray your God. Gently open the eyes. So friends, sectional breathing have 4 steps. First step, abdominal breathing. When you are inhaling, your abdomen slowly, continuously, deeply bulges out. Stop the breath few seconds effortlessly and slowly, deeply, completely exhale. Suck the abdomen inwards. Stop the breath few seconds effortlessly. Inhale and exhale. This is one round. Let's start abdominal breathing. Please continue up to 10 rounds. Relax. Observe the lower lobe of the lung. Gently open the eyes. When you are practicing abdominal breathing, your thoracic region should be no movement. Now, second sectional breathing is thoracic breathing. Same process. When you are inhaling, expand your chest, bulges out. When you are exhaling, suck inwards. That's all. Both hands Chinmaya Mudra. Sit straight. Mind focus on the thoracic region. Please continue up to 10 rounds. Stop the practice. Observe the thoracic region. Beautiful oxygenated blood circulate to your lungs and improve the lung capacity to fight against COVID-19 infection. Gently open the eyes. Third step, clavicular breathing. Both hands, Adi Mudra. Keep on the root of the thighs. When you are inhaling, your collarbone, shoulders slightly up. When you are exhaling, your collarbone, shoulders slightly down. Oxygen circulate to from collarbone to thisward direction. When you are practicing clavicular breathing, your thoracic region, your abdominal should be no movement. Please continue up to 10 rounds. Stop the practice. Observe the clavicular region. Beautiful oxygen circulate to your brain. By practicing clavicular breathing, rejuvenate the all brain cells, improve the concentration and memory, cures the all head problems. Gently open the eyes. Now, final step, combination of all these abdominal, thoracic and clavicular breathing. When you are inhaling, first abdomen bulges up, next thoracic, next slightly collarbone and shoulders slightly up. When you are exhaling, suck the abdomen inwards, same process, thoracic and slightly down the collarbones and shoulders. This is one cycle. Brahma Mudra. Keep on the side of the navel. Mind focus on the total lungs. Let's start.
Please continue up to 10 rounds.
Relax. Observe the total lung, lower lobe, middle lobe, upper lobe, beautiful functioning, beautiful massage, beautiful movement, beautiful oxygen circulate your total lungs. Gently open the eyes. So dear friends, this is the sectional breathing. By practicing sectional breathing, we can utilize the 100% lung capacity. Generally, human being utilizing 30% only from here to this direction. So this is the immunity boost to fight against COVID-19 infection. Not only that, when you are practicing abdominal breathing, beautiful oxygenated blood circulate to each and every abdominal organ. Then stimulate the abdominal organs. It will help to cure all digestive disorders. By practicing thoracic region, it will help for all the respiratory problems like asthma, sinus, nasal allergy, COVID-19 infection, etc. By practicing clavicular breathing, beautiful oxygenated blood circulate your brain, rejuvenate the all brain cells, then it will help to all head problems, especially improve the concentration and memory. Like so many benefits. Just you sit comfortable, your mind is relaxed, face is smiling, no tension in the body and mind. Just you focus when you are practicing abdominal breathing on the abdomen, thoracic breathing on the thoracic, clavicular breathing on the clavicular, fully yogic breathing, total lungs. You do with peace of the mind, smiling face. There is no tension in the body and mind. If you really like this video, subscribe, share it. Swami Vivekananda Yoga channel thanking you for watching this video. Namaste. Jai Swami Vivekananda.